So today mostly we'll be discussing, more about like CollabAI and its business test cases. Okay, so it's not like we're going to explore the new features or how to use this platform. This is more about like from the client side, how actually they can get benefit of this CollabAI platform, and also we can, showcase this platform's capabilities to our clients. Okay. So this is our main agenda, like AI and business. So let me go to next slide. So this is the first thing that we need to know, like what is exactly the CollabAI. Already you all are using this platform. So CollabAI is an open source and self-hosted AI operation platform for SMEs. That means small and medium-sized businesses. So it's a customizable and team-centric platform where you can have access to personalized AI agents tailored to your agency needs. And those are the common unique features, for self-hosted for maximum security, knowledge base, open source, personalized agent, or granular or team access. So this is not only the unique features or common features, but those are the primary features for almost all the AI platforms. Even if you explore other AI platforms, those are the common things like it should have that knowledge base feature, then personalized agent creation capabilities or giving the team access. But this is why CollabAI is really unique, because we have made this open source in under the MIT license. So anyone can use this CollabAI platform's code base and they can use it, and which is completely free. And this is we have made this as a self-hosted, so that I mean they can integrate or they can install this CollabAI into their own server, okay, to ensure the security. And which type of company it helps? So mostly, the companies like us, like development company, agencies, pharmaceuticals, e-commerce, non-profit, tutor companies actually can get the benefit from this CollabAI platform.
Actually, it can benefit for any companies, right? But
Yes,
we are keeping our focus on this segment, like these domains.
right. So even not only agencies, for individuals, suppose
Yes,
if
yes.
a client who doesn't have any agency, but for personal use, they want to use this CollabAI platform, they can also do it, because it's actually very low cost.
Yeah. Any smaller firm or anything like.
Right. And those are our right now active client who is actively using, our CollabAI platform, and they have hosted this CollabAI into their own server. They're using their own OpenAI API keys or other services keys and they're easily maintaining this server. And even the good thing is like we're getting some good feedbacks and even some smaller requests from them that, hey, if we can, improvise on that feature, or maybe if we can have that feature, something like that. So this is actually we feel really good to know that, I mean, they're using those platform and sharing the feedbacks with us. That means they are getting the benefit from it. So those are the clients like Ahad & Co, ICR Capital, Queen's Chamber of Commerce, KB Services, The Optimist. So how CollabAI can help agencies? So as we have discussed, like we are actually targeting like a 3-4 agencies, right? A marketing agency is one of them. And how exactly a CollabAI can help a marketing agency? So if you see like I mean, what type of work actually that particular agency, marketing agency do? They are mostly work with the contents, social media branding, social media marketing management, right? Creating the content. So for those type of work like content creation, blog post to social media updates, creating engaging and high quality content, market research, they can do the market research and create the content, create the pipeline of the content. They can create the user persona, user engagement, then social media management, ad copywriting, data analysis, SEO optimization. And developer agency like us, how actually can get benefit of CollabAI, like code assistance, providing code snippets, debugging help, and explaining complex programming concepts. Okay, and documenting, like generating technical documentation, API guides or user manuals. Project management, we have already like a few project management agents, right? Like project planning, task tracking, and timeline management. Client communication, code review, research, testing, like ensuring the quality, prototyping. So those are the areas actually CollabAI can help. So next, non-profit. Okay, so non-profit actually, it has their own challenges, because how the behavior of this non-profit organization, the main common pain point is they have limited funding and resources, right? Because those are the organization, for an example, optimist, what they actually do, they actually work on providing the charity to different organization, or maybe different, they do the sponsor to different members who actually is in crisis. So as those are the agencies like volunteering to help others, so they have definitely limited funding and resources, right? So CollabAI agent can actually help them to write the grant proposal and get the fundraising. Then they can and there another challenges is compliance with laws. So CollabAI actually can make sure that they are adhering all the regulations through the custom agent. Then maintaining the donor relationship management, right? So here also CollabAI can track donor impact. They can foster retention with custom agents. They can send personalized, email or content for donor relationship management. Then event and admin management. So CollabAI also can help, because they don't have like huge admin support team. They can have maybe max one or two admin team who can actually maintain all those admin related work. So in that case, like if they can get CollabAI platform, they can improve their productivity, right? Like writing an email, sending email, client follow up, then maintaining social media things. So all these things they can actually do using our CollabAI platform. And here comes the e-commerce agency. Like for those e-commerce agencies, like SEO is one of the core point, like for their product selling thing. So they can actually their problem is like managing SEO, content, personalizing, sales, and inventory. And by having CollabAI custom agents, they actually can get help on those areas like SEO optimization. Then they can create the content, then personalize their services. They can do the inventory management. Okay, so those are the areas actually they can get help from this CollabAI platform. And pharmaceutical companies, like their main problems is navigating compliance, reaching target doctors, then building product awareness. So those are the most common problem for pharmaceutical industries. So in that case, like if we can offer them custom agents like compliance agents that can actually ensure compliance with FDA and press regulation, right? Then doctor identification. If we can build a custom agent like doctor identification, they can actually find the local doctors for targeted awareness. Then press optimization, like analyze and enhances press releases for impact. So for the finally for tutoring industry, like their common problem is like limited customer support, complex integration, and low engagement. And here our Collabay is offering like custom tutor agents, AI tutors tailored to subjects and courses, easy integration, quick setup with agent ID for seamless embedding, smart support, like offering dedicated help from the Collabay team, user-friendly design, like non-disruptive, smooth experience for students and educators. Okay, and now this is the very important part, like what to offer clients, right? So as we know, like all CollabAI has those capabilities to serve specific agencies. Now let us see like what exactly we can offer. And this is the problem, I mean, that maybe we need to identify, like smaller agencies who does not have budget to accommodate monthly AI subscription. If you know our current pro plan has $20 per month subscription, and they have recently launched this $200 subscription, right? This is a kind of like I don't feel like it's I mean naturally accommodatable for a person, but even if it comes for a team, this is almost impossible, right? Unless that company has does not have any budget issue. So for those smaller agencies who does not have budget to accommodate monthly AI subscription for their team for productivity, but they are looking for a platform that can actually offer low cost solution, ensure security, and offer advanced functionalities. So for them, our CollabAI platform is the perfect fit, or maybe we can offer them our CollabAI. And how exactly CollabAI can help them? CollabAI is open source platform under MIT license, so anyone can use the code base and deploy into their own server. They just need to use their own API key and other services to maintain the platform. right? So this is what exactly we need to offer our clients. So next, let us know like when to offer clients, right? So if agencies like does not have their own technical people, in that case we can offer our installation services. And if agencies want any further customization on top of actual or existing functionalities, we can offer them custom functionalities services. Then if they need assistance to build any advanced agent, we can offer them that, hey, we have AI expert who can, or maybe expert agent builder who can help you to assist on building any advanced agent. And the last part, this is exactly how actually we'll be getting benefited, like we'll be getting client feedback which will be helping us to improve our product. Okay, and this is the current support packages we are offering to our new clients. Like there is two packages. One is basic and silver. Okay, so basic package where this is like 899. We're offering CollabAI installation, two training session, free update for 6 months, and we'll be assisting them to build 10 advanced assistant. And under this silver package, that will cost $2,000, and we're offering installation support for 1 year, free software update for 1 year, and 20 assistants will be assisting them to build into their platform. So those are the packages right now we are actually offering. And the next thing actually comes like how to onboard clients, like if it's a new client, right? So we can show quick demo about the platform and what are the agents we are personally using and getting benefit from it, showcase the platform capabilities from demo account. So we can share a common demo account which actually everyone actually needs to know the credential and all the functionalities. Maybe we can cover this on another session, or maybe we can record a call on all the functionalities and share with all of you, because we don't know like who will be joining the client calls, right? It could be from business development team, client success team, or maybe a technical team or PM team. So whoever will be joining those calls with clients, okay, so in that case we just need to showcase like what are the assets actually we are using personally and how actually we are getting benefit from those agents. Then finally we need to onboard client to our app.collabai.software site to play around with it, which is completely free. Okay, so for now, so that actually they get used to with this platform, like what are the functionalities are there, how they can actually do the chatting with the multi-provider chat, they can create their own agent. Okay, so let them actually play around it. Then our team actually can work on a strategic follow-up to convert client. Okay, so that we need to always keep in touch with them to get the feedback, to actually educate them how to use the platform, or maybe helping them to create the agent. Okay, this is how actually we can maintain the relation, and we can lead that relation to convert into client. And this is how to onboard clients, like old or maybe existing clients, right? So we just need to follow the same thing. Just one additional point I have added, which is as Christmas is coming soon, right? Maybe next week, sorry, next to next week. So maybe we can run a Christmas campaign, like till 31st December we are offering free installation of the platform to our any existing client, which is completely free. They can decide like if they can use it or not, but this is completely free. If they agree, then we can install it into their server. Maybe Madhav, you can chime into this to cover. So if it's possible to run this campaign, when to offer a custom solution, right? So just try to understand the client's needs, right? So the basic first thing is that identify their pain points, goals, and how a generative AI platform like CollabAI could add value to their operation. Then tailor the conversation to address this specific needs and talk to an AI expert on solution. Then we need to actually set our mindset, like how integrating different libraries we can give a solution, but not building from the scratch. And then how we can automate the solution, and AI can help. Okay? So those are the mindset we need to set, and try to understand the client pain point so that we can give a custom solution to client.